Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro UI good settings. Starting here in this first page of settings, we click. In this page, we will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we will search about FxPro Direct. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem.